We're at the Hilton Times Square. Oh, really? We are not in Midtown. Really? Yeah. And here we go. Look at these fools. Look at these fools.
United States Modified Over.
Right.
They're hydraulic.
Right.
Organic fixtures.
Hydraulic for 44.
Lantern.
Yep. Here's your Series 5 lantern, clearly. Look at these very interesting escutcheon holes. There we go. Oh, this one looks real nice. Yeah. Oh, for sure. I'm about to get squished. That down in the lobby. And the lobby's on 15.
Lobby.
Going up?
Yes. What floor?
35.
Going up.
What floor?
Going up.
Thank you.
26.
Oh my
Third
God.
one.
25, yeah.
25, 26. Third one. Please, thanks.
And 35.
35?
Did you guys get 35?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, 35.
Who's in 35?
right
You're in
there.
35?
I'm in 35.
Oh.
I
That's right. You guys are going to your room.
That's 35.
35 is
Who's in 25?
Floor. Going up.
Okay, see you.
Okay, let me turn around.
Ow.
She's gonna press 26.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
You're in 26?
Yeah.
Quince. Who's 24? I mean 34. What the heck?
Is Julian in the room with you?
46th
No,
floor.
there's other
Going
people in the
up.
hotel. There's elevators that have.
Is Julian in the room?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, good luck.
Bye.
Good luck.
Tina's just gonna save me and send me a surprise. Hey, is she even
Yeah. Okay, you're gonna come back later?
there? Like around 3.
31st floor. Going up.
Don't be messing around. You gotta pack all your stuff.
Oh
We're leaving in the morning.
Okay.
Thirty-fourth floor. Going up.
No. I think I just.
35th floor. Going up.
Wow. That was a lot.
Forty-fourth floor. Going down.
Look who it is. That's all.